Hi there, I hope you're doing well. This is Mrs. Feller here to talk to you about notifications in Google Classroom. I'm going to be demoing this today from a student's perspective. In this video, we're going to learn where to find the notification settings, change email notifications for classes and features, and change device notifications on the mobile app. Let's get going. When you first enter Google Classroom, you will see each of your classes listed as tiles. We're going to go to the top corner to the triple underline to open the menu. To access notifications, we're going to go down to the bottom to Settings. This menu will also take you to your to-do list and each of your other classes. There are a lot of notification settings that we can turn on or off. This top button controls all notifications. You probably don't want to turn this off. You can decide what notifications are right for you within the comments and the classes you're enrolled in. When the radio button is grayed out, that means these notifications are turned off. If you would like to control the notifications for an entire class, click on this option. Here, I can toggle the notifications on or off. But what about pop-up notifications on my mobile device? Let's take a look. I first need to open the Google Classroom app. My classes are displayed as tiles, but I need to go to the triple underline to the menu, and from the menu down to Settings. Then I expand the notifications to see my options. Here I see my device notifications are enabled. When I touch this option, it will open the notification settings for this app on my device. I touch the arrow to expand my options. Here I can decide to allow notifications or sounds, or where the banners will appear on my screen. Be sure to check out my other student tutorial videos about Google Classroom on my YouTube channel, and hit those like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss out on any tips to help you succeed in your virtual classroom. Thanks again for watching, and stay well.